Hello everyone, today we are talking about this sponsor product I got for review and I've been testing for a while and I absolutely love it. The operation of it's really easy, very cool machine, and you can see it doesn't take much space, very compact unit. So you get these two different filter, one for the double shot, and it has this nice label here. It tells you what is the maximum amount you can put, and the same thing for the small one as well. And you also get another one if you are using ready pods. You can use this, and that looks good. You can see here this has a measuring cup, and with the tapping here you would be able to fill it and tap to the max level. You can see here. So overall really cool setup, and you have this nice large filter holder. The operation is really smooth. You can just easily place, and it comes with this thing. Once you are ready, you can just tap the filter, and it's easy. It helps you to remove this. You can see it has this nice opening here. You can place this here and just easily remove the filter cup. So that works really cool. That's really nice feature. I really like it. And over here on the top we have really nice large area. I just wanted to show you guys how many cups you can put in a different shape and size. So it heats the area really nice and warm, and once you touch the cup right now it is really warm. I really like it. It affects of the taste of the coffee it makes. So, and once you get the package also, you have this nice booklet. It tells you how the operation work, how to clean, very easy to use manual, and the operation of the machine is itself, it's easy as well. So once you are ready, let's say you place a your holder here. It works on the 45-degree angle. You can see here you would just put on this corner and just easily close it. Once you are ready, you can just either turn on the unit, you can change. So if this is in place and if it's locked, it will give you other options like cappuccino and latte. But if it's unlocked, you will see here it will beep, and the selections will disappear. So let me show you guys the milk unit. This is really cool feature as well. Once you filled it up, you can put it in your refrigerator, and once you are ready you can just bring it back. You don't have to worry about cleaning it every single time you use. So that is really nice feature. I really enjoy it. So the operation is very easy. Once you are ready, if you press this once, it will do one shot espresso. Double tap will give you the opposite. So single tap, it will just give you single shot. Double tap will give you double shot. And the same thing here for cappuccino. If you press this one, it will make for small cup. If you press two time, it will make for double, I mean larger cup. And same thing for the latte. So if you, let's say you just made espresso, or you just want to make a for to the milk, a warm milk, you can just press and hold the cappuccino button 3 seconds, and you would be able to use the forwarding. And wherever you feel like you have enough, you press again, it will stop the milk, and you have very nice thick uh, milk. So I'm just going to demonstrate how it works. Right now I'm going to make a espresso, so let's fill it up. So once you fill it up, you would be able to just tap it, and you can see over here on the max size, if it's uneven you can just brush it through the other side. Wherever it's not even, you can just do that. So once it's flat, you can see right now we have nice large for double. So once you are ready, you put on the 45-degree angle, from the corner. That is easy to remember. You just slide it and make sure it's in in its place. So right now we are going to make just a double shot espresso. So I press double time. You can see here it will give really nice foamy espresso. You will see it just produce the coffee right now. You can see you can also change the volume of the double shot or single shot with the settings. If you think it's too much, you can reduce it. If you feel it's too little, you can change it. So that is really cool feature. I really like it. So as you can see, it just produced the coffee, and it just looks really nice. You can see beautiful color here. So let me pick it up. So you can see it just has really nice cool foam on the top. Looks really good, and the taste it's really good as well. So I'm going to show you guys. Let's say uh, you just want to do some milk, right? You decided to turn this into a latte. So you would press this and hold 3 seconds. So 1, 2, 3. You see it's just going to start. So once you think it's enough, you just press the same button again. So let's press. You will see it just stops, and you can see how nice the coffee turned out. You can see beautiful color, really nice layers, and the taste is really good as well. So you do the same thing for latte. Once you press double time, it will just do the coffee by itself and then do the milk, so you don't have to do the manual steps. But you can see looks really nice. I really enjoy this. So overall, really cool machine. I really like it. I hope you guys like and enjoy it as well. Thank you for watching.